My name is Mr. Cadella, and today I'm going to show you how to attach two or more pieces of clay using a method called the score and slip method, or scoring and slipping method. Now I have several pieces of clay here, some tools and some water, and this is all we're going to need today. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this piece that I'm going to attach to this larger piece, these two little slabs, and I'm going to draw lines in it. This is the scoring part. Now you can draw lines with many different kinds of tools. You want to make sure that you get a lot of lines there. And then I'm going to draw lines about the same size on the piece that I'm going to attach it to. Just like that. I add just a little bit of water. This is the slip part. You could also use very watered down clay. And now I'm going to match up those lines with the lines here on my slab. I'll match those up and press them together. And the reason why we do that, instead of just taking a piece of clay and putting it on here, is when we have those lines come together, it's like putting our fingers together, and in the kiln, when it fires, it'll shrink about 10% and it'll lock together in order to give a better chance for it to stay together there. There you go. You can do this with many different types of clay. For example, I can put it on this coil here, draw a bunch of lines. I could even use a different kind of tool. That was a needle tool. Here's sort of an oversized toothpick tool. There we go. Again, match it up here. I like to kind of measure to see where I'm going to be putting my scoring lines. Just kind of match it up. There we go. Once again, add a little bit of water there, a little bit of slip, and I press them down just like that. You can even do the ends. Use a different tool here. Do some more lines. Just like this. Add some lines here. Add some lines here. Want to make sure that I match them up there. Add again just a little bit of slip. Press them down. There we go. Sometimes you do also want to add like a little bit of clay, maybe a real small coil, to finish that seam. Like for example, I'm just going to take this tool, kind of smooth out that seam right there. And that's how you add two pieces of clay together.